What's up, everybody? Skunk72 coming at you from Southern California. I'm going to be doing the long-awaited review. Well, I call it long-awaited. I've only had this jacket for a week. But today I'm going to be doing my review for warm weather riding on the First Classics Top Performer leather riding jacket. Now, rather than doing a pose down and turning in circles and letting you all see everything, what I'll probably do is do my whole review while I'm riding to work, and then I'll take some pictures to put up, and I believe it's going to be that corner up there, I think, or maybe that corner. Either one, it's going to be in one of the corners. I'll show some pictures of what I'm talking about. So again, being that I live in Southern California, this is going to be more of a warm weather review. Today is, I think, close to 80 degrees. And I'll double check that and make sure, but I'm pretty sure it's about 80 degrees today. I'm going to be honest with you. Southern California, really the coldest daytime temperature that we might get here is maybe 40, 45 degrees. That's in Fahrenheit. And I'll translate that Celsius for my crazy Canadian friends. And put a little graphic up on the screen, let you know what that is. So, let's get to it. So first of all, this jacket retails for $289.99 American dollars. It is full top grain leather. First impressions right out of the box. The leather is very soft, but still rigid to make you feel like you're going to be protected. The jacket does have armor pockets for both, or for 3 spaces for spinal, elbow, and shoulder armor. It does not come with the armor. I took armor out of an X-Element jacket that I bought a little short time ago that the zipper broke the first time I ever used it. And I had already had it sitting around for over the 90-day return period, and the zippers are made out of cheap plastic, and the zipper broke first time out. So I pulled the armor out of there. The elbow armor fit like a champ, perfect fit. The shoulder armor, I had to trim it down a little bit because the pockets were a little small. And when it comes to the spinal armor, this jacket has a very weird spinal armor pouch. It's really small. I have never seen any spinal armor small enough that it's going to fit in here. So if you do buy something, you're going to have to trim it to fit. It also comes with a triple venting system. There's vents in the arms. There's 2 chest pockets that also have the vented mesh in them to let airflow in. Then 2 exhaust pockets, or 2 exhaust zippers in the back to let the hot air out. Now, I'm not one that likes to wear full long sleeves all the time until it gets a little bit chilly. 80 degrees to me is too hot. It's too hot for me to wear all this stuff. But to be honest with you, wearing this when I'm moving at freeway speed right now, I'm traveling at 70 miles an hour. I'm actually going a little slow. I usually go a lot faster than this. But at 70 miles an hour, I am perfectly comfortable at 80 degrees with the airflow that I'm getting going through here. When I'm down on the surface streets and I'm stopped at a traffic signal, I'm sweating a little bit, and I can't wait for that signal to change. One of the things that I really loved about the style of this jacket is across the bottom in the back, it has the kidney pad look. I don't know how functional they really are, but it has that look, and it's a look that I really like. As far as the reviews that I've read, I've seen that some people wear the same exact jacket up to 90 degrees and say that they're perfectly comfortable. Me personally, I don't think that'll work out for me. For the colder weather, this jacket comes with a quilted liner, which I took out as soon as I took it out of the box. I will probably never put it back in. I like to carry a zip-up hoodie in my saddlebag, and I'll throw the hoodie on underneath the jacket. Which brings me to sizing. I've also read some of other people's reviews where they say get a size smaller than what you normally wear. I'm 6'2" and weigh about 240 pounds. I wear size 2X, and I can wear a 1X, but I'm just more comfortable in 2X because they're longer. Now, when I tried this jacket on, when I found it inside a shop, I tried on the extra large, and it did fit. It was fine, but the sleeves were a little bit too short for me. And as you can see, even with the 2X, these sleeves are a little bit shorter than you'd like them to be when your arms are stretched out. But there was no way I was going to put on a 3X, because that would just been way too baggy. Plus, going with the 2X for me leaves enough extra space to be able to put my hoodie on when it's cooler out. I will definitely do a cold weather review on this same jacket once we get better temps for it. Or if me and one of my buddies goes on a freeze ride like we're known to do at times, where we ride our motorcycles up to the snow and we basically stop when the road gets too icy and dangerous and we turn around and come back. Other features of this jacket, down at the bottom where the kidney padding is, there is a flap with 2 snaps, so you can actually tighten the waist of the jacket a little bit if that's what you want, if that's what you choose to do. I tightened it. It actually fit a little better with it tightened, but I could feel where the leather was kind of creasing right there, and it was annoying the crap out of me, so I moved it back to the larger outside snaps. This jacket has 2 deep inside pockets, one with the elastic straps for concealed firearm carry, which I still haven't figured out how the hell those are supposed to work. I've never been able to get a firearm to sit in there nicely. Not to mention I live in Los Angeles County where, you know, firearms are evil and nobody's allowed to have one. I did read a review on somebody that carries, and he said a compact pistol fits in there perfectly. If you go with anything full frame, it'll fit in there, but it'll be obvious that you have something in that pocket. The interior of this jacket, underneath the quilted liner, is going to be the typical mesh type fabric that a lot of leather has. Again, I'll take a picture of that. I don't know how great you're going to be able to see it on a picture, but I'll try. So just to rehash, I don't remember what the thickness of this leather is. I will look at the specs online and I'll post that up too, so you'll know how thick the leather is. But again, just to rehash, it is top grain leather. It's pretty soft and pliable. It's very comfortable to wear. Again, a lot of people suggest that you go a size smaller. I did not do that. I went with my normal size that I prefer to wear, and it worked out perfectly. So far, I absolutely love this jacket, and I would definitely recommend it to others, especially for the price. The reason I went this way is because I didn't want to pay $600 to be a Harley Davidson billboard. So far so good. Love the jacket. It's very comfortable with the armor in it, and I would definitely recommend, if you're looking for a lower cost but still high quality leather jacket, take a look at the First Classics Top Performer. And if you've never been to my channel before and this is the first, you just came from a review, while you're here, go ahead and check out my moto vlogs too. If you like them, please subscribe. If not, I'm not going to be butthurt and, I'm not going to badmouth you. It's all good. If you don't like it, I don't expect you to watch, but if you do, just check them out and subscribe. Be sure to give me a thumbs up, and I will talk to you all later. Rubber side down, shiny side up.